What's good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV video, and today we're going to look at, I think, my favorite 380 to date, Yeezy 380. Just released a little bit ago, finally getting to do a video on it. This one here is fire to me. It's the Yeezy 380 Calcite Glow in the Dark. Let's go. So yeah, the 380 has gotten a bad rap amongst sneaker resellers, I guess. I think there are people who actually like the shoe, me being one of them. When I saw the Alien drop it, well, let's just backtrack a little bit. It was supposed to be sort of the new wave of the 350s. That's what it was being touted as, like the V3 350 when it first was popping up on like IG and stuff. And I believe Kim Kardashian was the first one to wear it, along with Kanye, and they're putting pictures out there. So that was the Alien version, which is basically an all white with some earth tones on it. Very fly shoe in my opinion, and it looked very decent. Everybody was like, "Oh yeah, it was a new one. It's got way more boost in it. The sole looked amazing. The upper was kind of, very unique with the little perforation holes and all that stuff, and the crazy alien design and all that stuff. And it had like these green, like wavy things. It was a very interesting shoe, and yeah, it did well when it first came out. People liked the OG colorway, and it did its thing. And then after a while, they said, "All right, this one did well." And they always do this whenever they drop a new model with a sort of a neutral colorway. They make it kind of limited. So 380 Alien, harder to get. I think they resell for between 380 and like $500, somewhere between it, depending. I don't have that one. I missed out, and I was just like, wait, it was way expensive when I was looking at it. It wasn't, all of them were reselling for like $500-600 at one point. So came and went, and then they released the Yeezy 380 Mist, which kind of realistically sat. And I think it's because, and this is my theory on these things, sock-like sneakers are not the wave. I don't think they ever really were the wave. I know like a lot of high fashion, some Balenciaga joggers, Adidas did some Boost models with the sock-like. Nike did some sock-like shoes, like mid socks and high and lows, but they never mass. You can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. If there has been a Nike with a sock-like upper that was sort of like a mainstream type of shoe, whether it be an athletic shoe or a casual shoe. I can't recall one off the top of my head, but I'll do some research and I'll find something. But I don't think there ever was one. But I know Adidas did it with a lot of the Boost models, and I think the 4Ds and a whole bunch of like the NMDs. They did a whole lot of different sock-like uppers, and they were cool, but they were just not. It was like a little wave, and they were gone. People just can't style them right. The only thing I really can't style these things with probably is like jeans, because I don't wear like skinny jeans. I wear like straight cut jeans, so they would look kind of crazy with a straight cut jean because it kind of covers the upper. But I have one cargos with the ties on them. I have a picture on my IG where I kind of wear a regular like cargo pant, but a straight leg cargo pant with the 380 wheat. What do they call it? Blue oats, the blue oats. So those, I mean, they look a little crazy with a regular pair of pants, so I can kind of understand that. But these look fire with shorts. These look fire with sweatpants and cargo pants with the tie. So I'll probably style them with the cargo pant with a tie. But I personally love this shoe. They're comfortable. They look good on my feet. There's room on in them and all that stuff. So I just want to get into this box and get into the details, show you how it works and all that good stuff. I know I'm not the first person to do a video on this one because I've seen a whole bunch of videos. But I'm going from a different perspective, from a person who actually bought the shoe. And let's just get right into it. So, haven't unboxed this yet at all. Thank you, Adidas, for not throwing on all the details. I mean, the model number's there, so the thief has to actually look it up on StockX by model number before they steal it from me. But haven't missed an Adidas package yet, so that's a good thing. Unboxing shoes. I hate unboxing shoes, people. That's why, I try to, this one I just haven't opened yet. And I saw it on the ground. I was like, let me do a video on this, John. Oh, I got it. I'm in the video making mood. There it is. So this dropped on Halloween, I believe. And it sat. I saw the European, I was tempted. I'm always tempted, like Adidas does their drops in waves. I like the way they did the tag here. Let's see. Come on, work. Cal Glow. Look at that. Cal Glow, Cal Glow, Cal Glow. Calcite Glow. That's cool. So yeah, Adidas does its drops in waves. Europeans first come out when they do like a big drop. So Europeans come out first, and you'll see ads for those probably the 12 hours before the US starts coming out. And then some retailers usually they drop on a Saturday when it's a big release. 8 a.m. Eastern time, they drop on certain retailers, whether it be the foot sites, Undefeated, I know gets them sometimes, Foot Action, Foot Locker, Dick's Sporting Goods, some places like that. They get 350s. This one I think dropped in more boutiques than anything. And then they do a wave of just the Yeezy supply, and then they do nowadays an Adidas raffle, or they do it on the Confirmed app, either or, depending on how rare the shoe is. This shoe retailed for $250, which is $30 higher than the regular $380 price, I believe, because it glows in the dark. I've seen pictures of it glowing. It looks amazing. That's awesome and all that stuff. So let's get into the box. Yep, it's a typical Yeezy box. I'm not gonna go make crazy noises with it or anything like that. Pull this bad boy out. Oh my goodness. So look at that. I like this already. So the big difference between this, the 380 and the 350, is obviously there's more boost down here, and the upper knit part is more simplistic. The knit part on a 350 is woven a lot different, and there's more of a more definition in the soles, but in the midsole and everything. But this has very, very, very cool simplistic styling to it. Comes with the pull tab lace, and I've yet to put on any of the Yeezys with this new style of lacing, so this will be my first pair when I do my own foot. I'm gonna keep these laces in it because I do not feel like snipping and cutting right now. This one here, as you can see, has this grayish tone to it. The whole shoe glows in the dark apparently, and that's basically it. See the sock-like upper? It's a sock. It's a sock shoe, but again, people for some reason don't know how to style these. I guess it's your Yeezy tag and everything. I wear these true to size, but Yeezy's going up a half a size for 350s, 380s, 500s, 500 highs. Pretty much all of them is a true fact. Even the basketball shoe, I have worn the basketball shoe a bit, and there's a little bit more room in it, but like if you're gonna hoop in them or something like that, with the wear and tear on your feet and everything, they will swell up a little bit. So definitely go a half size higher if especially if you wear like thicker socks and you ball. These, I recommend the same thing. I always get them true to size, my size 12, but that's just me. This is a very underrated, underappreciated shoe in my opinion. I don't think that people appreciate it for what it is. It's one of those shoes that can be your total daily driver if you want it to be. It's built to last because it's such a thick boost, and even if it bottoms out a bit, you can still wear it. I mean, the boost won't go nowhere. This is pretty good rubber right here. The traction on here is pretty slick. Very cool looking shoe, and it's pretty awesome. So My recommendation is, yes, cop it if you can get under retail. A lot of the resale right now is very light, so look into that if you can, if you're interested. Don't buy anything because I say so, because I have a different style. I like what I like, and when I purchase things like this, I buy it for myself, not for anybody else. And you know, the shoe does turn heads because there's nobody really likes them, and they sit most of the time, which this one did. There's still some out there. It is officially 5 days after release, and there's still pairs sitting. So, you know, buyer's discretion. If you're gonna buy it retail, if you can get a discount on them, or buy them resale for cheaper, go ahead. But most people don't tend to get them cheaper on resale, because a lot of resellers, you know, they cop a bunch of pairs and just hold and hold, because they're making maybe $300 profit off of old Yeezys now that are reselling, or other shoes that they're reselling, so they could hold these for an extended period of time. My prediction that these will go up in price is still there, just because I feel like every shoe has its day, and this one being very underappreciated is like a sign that it might have a day or a wave soon, especially if they come out with cool colorways like this. Because this one is, even though it's sitting right now, it's clean, very clean, and looks amazing. So tell me what you think about it. I'm gonna do the glow test. Like and subscribe, and thank y'all for all the support lately and everything like that. I'm gonna try to drop more consistently. It's just that I haven't been able to cop much lately, and I'm trying to actually downsize some of my collection here. So if you know, I'm getting rid of some stuff to get more stuff, and the holidays are coming up, so things are gonna get busy. But I'm gonna do some special videos for y'all, and they'll be amazing. Well, hopefully they'll be amazing. Otherwise, this shoe, you know, tell a friend, and that is about it. I'm gonna turn these lights off and just hold it right here, and hopefully it glows for y'all. Good night. Whoa, that is sick. Yo, that lit the fuck up. Holy shit. That is wild, yo. Wow. Yo. That is crazy lit, yo. Look at that. Did you see that? That's wild. Put these right here. Boom. Look at that. Yeah, they glow. They definitely glow. They definitely glow, my guy. They glow. Amazing glow.